As with projects like this, using the plate joiner is very important, especially along frame intersections like this and this and many more. So I'm going to show you what I have to cut those biscuits to length safely on the table saw. And there it is right here. Start off by showing this little tool. Biscuits put in here. Once it's cut like this, just flipped over, then you cut the other end. Just like that. To show you how I made it, there's not much to it. 1/4 20 bolt here, couple washers, 1/4 20, nut plate on the bottom of the handle, and another nut plate on the bottom of the base. Not much to it.